genetic life, parachutes, lightning, and chewing gum. All coming up on Random Access Memory.
A bolt of lightning may seem to be hundreds of feet wide, but the current channel is generally only the thickness of a pencil. And most people struck by lightning survive, but I wouldn't advise giving it a try.
For the first time, scientists from Northwestern University have managed to grow mature human eggs from immature cells in the lab, a technique that may eventually help save the fertility of female cancer patients who aren't eligible for traditional egg harvest.
Did you know that the modern parachute was invented long before the creation of the airplane? Louis-Sébastien Lenormand, a Frenchman, tested his design in 1783, and it was initially used to save people who had to jump from burning buildings or hot air balloons. But the idea of the parachute predated even that design, going all the way back to the Italian Renaissance.
When a Los Angeles fertility clinic offered in Feb 2009 to let parents choose their kids' hair and eye color, public outrage followed. On March 2nd, the clinic shut down the program. And that, says transhumanist author James Hughes, is a shame. If nobody gets hurt and everybody has access, says Hughes, then genetic modification is perfectly fine.
Sugar was first added to chewing gum in 1869. Ironically, a dentist named William Semple was behind the decision. A dentist also invented the electric chair. Makes you think, doesn't it? Minus 40 degrees Celsius is exactly the same temperature as minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, you may be getting older, but that doesn't mean your brain has to get any slower. It's time for a daily supplement. Now, Microsoft is one of the world's biggest corporations, so it's always been a bit of a surprise that their marketing just really isn't up to scratch. In the recent past, they've actually tried really hard to be different, but the result has just been downright scary. So, what are they pulling out of their hats this time? It's the Windows 7 party! That's right, Microsoft is running a campaign to get people together, have some food, and talk about their latest product. So what exactly is the definition of a Windows 7 party? Do you have to talk about Windows 7 before you get served some food? Do you have to write Windows 7 all over your house in icing? Or does everyone have to blow a paper whistle every time they hear the word Windows 7?
Well, apparently the list of hosts has been finalized, and all that's left now is for them to pick from the following fun themes: setting up with ease, family-friendly fun, media mania, and Photopalooza.
These lucky souls are required to watch the host's video, read the host's notes, and do everything, and I do mean everything, they see in the video and read in the notes. Sounds like a lot of fun. Well, not to worry, party finalists. Even though it may very well be the last party you ever throw, there will be some benefits to be had. You get a free party pack, free party favors, and a chance, just a chance, to win a free PC. Although it might help to have the word Microsoft tattooed across your forehead. Now, the moon landing story of Neil Armstrong and his brave men is one of the most defining moments in space exploration history. But are we right to give this one event so much importance? Well, it turns out that a much later exploration, that of Viking Lander 2, which ran from 1976 through 1980, was just 3.5 inches away from making one of the solar system's biggest discoveries, that Mars has ice underground. Meteorites crashing into Mars' surface exposed the ice to scientists last year, and now a new model of the crater images has been published by NASA. So, apart from highlighting Viking Lander 2's close shave with fame, the discovery also showed scientists that there's actually a lot more ice on Mars than previously was thought. And 3.5 inches, by the way, is just about the length of a credit card.